going on? Okay, let me take a sip of my tea. Oh, that's delicious. So I'm drinking some green tea and I have a skinny syrup in it. But anyway, welcome to my channel. Today you're gonna notice we're in a different location. We're just in a different part of the house because this is the first video in my self-care series. Yes. So I wanna show you guys my nails. I get comments on Instagram about my nails, and I get comments in real life about my nails. The thing is, it's not really a secret, but the secret is out. These are press-on nails, and I have a whole collection of press-on nails, loads of press-on nails. I love them. I'm obsessed. Every time I'm in a drugstore, wait, I need another sip. Every time I'm in like a hair supply or a drugstore, if I see a pair of nails I like, I buy them. So this video, I'm gonna show you 7 days, a whole week of one of my favorite set of nails, and they happen to be Kiss nails. They're called Kiss Classy. For some reason, they don't have an actual name. Like, I've been searching high and low to try to figure out, like, is it an item number that you have to look for? Anyway, I know what they look like, and when I'm in the drugstore, if I see them and they're on sale, it's usually CVS or Walgreens or Dwayne Reed. If I see them, I just pick them up because I love them. I use them over and over again. So I'm gonna show you guys what happens throughout the week with press-on nails. Now, I'm gonna also say my hands are always in water. I'm always cooking, washing my hands because of COVID, the pandemic, all of that. But my hands are always in water. Like, I wash my hands so many times during the course of the day, I can't even tell you. And then I'm always using a really nice moisturizer to keep my hands looking supple and soft and pretty. So, wait, I need some more tea. You see this cup? My sister got this for me. Isn't this cute? So, anyway, I want to show you guys what happens over the course of 7 days. And in the next video, maybe the next video, I'll show you guys my top 5 favorite press-on nails. Now, it's really simple to keep them on. I'm not going to show you guys the installation. This video is just going to show you what happens over the course of the week, the type of things that I'm doing, whether it's that I'm driving, I'm cooking, whatever it is that I'm doing. I'm washing my face. I don't stop doing anything because I have these press-on nails on, and I'm going to show you realistically how they last throughout the week. I need another sip. This is so good. It's so delicious. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys what happens with these Kiss nails throughout the course of the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit back, get yourself a snack, relax. It's all vibes. It's just visual. And I'm going to show you what I do throughout the week and how it affects my nails and how many times I have to fix them. All right? All right, you guys. Let's go. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. So let's talk about hand moisturizing. We all have been using hand sanitizer like crazy, and the alcohol content dries out your nails and your hands. So I was gifted this Zest hand sanitizer that has glycerin as one of the ingredients, and glycerin is really good for your skin because it helps it to retain moisture, keeps it nice and supple. So I keep a bottle of this stuff, in my handbag, in the car, wherever I am that I'm going to use hand sanitizer, I keep it. I also love that it's a spray bottle, so it's easier to apply it. You don't have to, you know how you get to the bottom of the hand sanitizer and there's a little bit left and you got to open that thing up and try to get it out? You don't have to worry about it with this. You just spray it on. It's very, very convenient, and it's also more sanitary. I will share a link in the description box to this brand hand sanitizer if I can find it, if it's not sold out. If not, I will link something similar for you guys. I'm failing. I use a variety of brands of moisturizer for my hands, but one common denominator, one common ingredient in them all is that they contain shea butter. I find that for me, for my skin, shea butter is great to keep the skin nice and soft. So if you can find a nice thick moisturizer for your hands that includes shea butter, that's your best bet. Any brand will work as long as it has that ingredient. I love the quality of these nails. They are very strong. They're the perfect length. They're thick enough so that you don't have to worry about the nails bending. They don't crack, and they stay put and stay in place. So these are really, really good quality. Part of my daily self-care also is burning candles. I love a great scented candle. A few of my favorite brands are Target and DW Homes. They have the best smelling candles. I'll link a few of my favorites in the description box for you guys as well. So as you can see, through the course of 7 days, I've had to repair my nails twice. And what I do is I carry around the glue and the remainder of the nails that come in the kit, so that I always have an extra nail and the glue to repair. If I'm on the go, if I'm out in public somewhere and my nail pops off, I can just fix it. Overall, these nails held up great for 7 days. I love them. I highly recommend them.